Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 6th to the 20th. Don't see much change, but there'll be brief interruptions as it has been occurring so far this winter. We get periods of cold weather, short-lived, and then longer periods of warmth. All right, so the pattern starts out here like this, with the ridge here over the Eastern Pacific. And we have a trough here below normal heights across much of the high latitudes into the west central U.S. and a ridge here in the east. Models are good agreement with this. We look at some of the models, and they're good agreement. Now, okay, I don't have the map here. Okay, but most models are good agreement with this. Now, within this period, we will have a northern southern spring troughs that will move from the Central Plains on Thursday and then across the eastern U.S. on Friday. And what this brings here, you can see we'll have a frontal boundary set up across this area with the low riding around it, and this along with a feed of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and everything will bring heavy rain here across parts of the east. That will start out first as some mixed precipitation or snow. So we're looking at this map here. This is Wednesday morning. Then we go to Wednesday night. The first system moves out. Then we'll have another system right along it. This is Thursday morning, and then it transitions to rain. We have heavy rain, more snow and rain up here, rain or snow. And then we'll also have an onshore flow, and several impulses will move into the northwest and the Great Basin, and the Rockies will unsettle, keeping the region unsettled with rain and snow. And this will also be fed by Eastern Pacific tropical moisture. And then we'll have, what will bring this cold air, we'll have high pressure that will be settling across New England, and this will feed in the cold air. But this air will be receding because we'll have warm air moving in a loft, and that will change it to rain. We'll look at the ensembles here. This is the individual members. I don't know how well you can see this. And I'm going to go through them. This is, what is this? Oh, this is tomorrow, February 4th. Then we go to the 5th. This is the GFS individual members. And then we're at Wednesday and Thursday. You can see rain. Now this is one of the members here. It keeps it to the south. This one brings it up more to the north. This one keeps it south. This one keeps it also south. So this would be for Wednesday. Then we'll go into, let me see if I can get, now we're at Thursday. You can see pockets of heavy rain here across the Tennessee Valley. And then the rain moves in to the north. And they all have that. That's the GFS ensembles. We'll look at the European ensembles, individual members. Now we're at Thursday. It brings in heavy rain. All the members looks like they all have rain here. And then we'll look at one more. This would be the Canadian ensembles, individual members. And we're at Thursday. Canadian is further to the west and south compared to the other models, the other individual members. But it brings it in on Thursday later on. It's a little bit slower. Okay, we'll go back to the forecast maps. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for February 11th to the 15th. And during this period, Western Trough shifts back to the west. And we have an above normal ridge here because back here in the early period, you can see the trough kind of slides eastward a little bit. So overall, we're expecting the trough to shift back to the west, still have our ridge below normal heights here. And one thing to note that, let me see, this, I think it was this one. All right, right here. This European ensembles has above normal heights here, which are weak, but they're still there compared to other models. Keep it relatively below normal heights. So models of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%, above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. Looking ahead for February 16th to 20th, we have very strong height anomalies here. They're starting to shift northward. That's a good sign, but we still have our trough here, ridge. This might be an indication of a change maybe occurring. We have to see how well that goes. But overall, we still have our trough ridge configuration. So for this forecast period, I am calling for little change in temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the west, probability of occurrence 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation for this region, probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 6th to 20th. Thanks for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.